Hey guys, welcome back to Cruise EDG. My name's Matt and I am super delighted to have you here today. Now, we've got a big day ahead of us because tomorrow is the last drifting practice before the first competition of the season, and we've got plenty of stuff to do on the car. Also, we will be passing the tech inspection for the racing season tomorrow, so there are a couple of bits and bobs that have to be done, and in this video I'm going to guide you through them. So sit in comfortably, smash that subscribe button, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and let's get working. Alright, so I thought that after the crash in the last practice, these mounting points were broken, but that is not the case. So these are still good to go. Here's a little bit of damage. Beautiful, not too shabby. Not that I need it though, because we've got a cute little jacking point coming up. Picked this up super cheap, adding €15 to the total cost of the car. Alright, so here's a little trick for you all. I have to put on 2 toe straps on the car, and what people quite often do is they will get a bolt that fits, bolt them up like that, and when you end up pulling your car, it just bends this little metal thingy, as it's not the way these are intended to be used. So here's how I will be mounting them. I want this to be on the right side of the car, so not the same side as the exhaust, which means this. I will be cutting open this place right here. So this could go through, and I will bolt it down with that bolt right there. And that's how you install a toe strap onto your E36. Okay, so here's how the finished product looks like. Got a hole, and we've got the toe strap. And with a little bit of wiggling, in it goes. Then we grab the same old bolt, and we throw that bad girl back in there. And boom, you've got yourself a properly installed toe strap that should function well and look decent. Okay, so now with the bumper done, while it's off the car, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the shock absorbers. I'm not entirely happy with how these are working. At least on the videos it seems like the car is sort of too bumpy in the back. It's hard to explain, but we'll give another shot to the max speeding rods units. I've got some new inserts for them, as these are, as you would expect, pretty knackered. So I'm gonna throw new inserts on them, throw the poly bush top mounts from those up on these. Hopefully it's gonna fit, probably won't. And boom. Alright, so a couple of hours have passed and I have swapped out the Bilstein B14 shocks that I had in the back with some adjustable max speeding rod shock absorbers. The Bilsteins were acting a little bit weirdly. Sometimes on a track it felt like the car was bouncing a little too much, so I will give these a shot. As always, while working on this car, a couple of things went wrong, but the shocks are in. I do hope that I haven't messed anything up and they will function properly. Now it's time to throw on the rear bumper with the jacking point, and that should be the rear end of the car done. Here is the final product of the jacking point. Looks pretty decent. Here we've got the toe strap. Very, very happy with how it came out. I did cut this a little bit too wide, so not perfect, but from a distance I would say that's a score. Next up, since E36s still came with glass headlights, it is obligatory to have some sort of a plastic tape on them just in case they get shattered on the track, so you wouldn't have shards of glass on the track. And for that we've got some window tinting film. Found it in the garage. I'm gonna quickly throw that on there. It is gonna make the lights a little bit darker. I'm afraid that the corner turn indicators may be looking a bit too bright. I mean, they are looking a bit too bright already, so in the future I'll probably tint these too, but for tomorrow it's only required to get the glass parts done, so let's get it done, I guess. I'd say that's us done. Just like that. I'll grab my heat gun and heat these spots, then just cut around the headlight, and that's about it. Here we go. Let's see whether it worked. Boom. Just like that. Done. And how would these look? Yeah, I think I'll probably tint these in the future as well, but for now this headlight's done. Comparison virtually looks the same. So now onto this one. Literally a 3-minute job. It's not super tidy, but realistically very satisfied with it. Nice. Hey guys, nice to have you here. Today we're going drifting, but today is a very, very, very special track day.